Monster tractors. Farmers use big tractors to plow fields. The tractors pull rippers across the fields. They get the ground ready for crops. Tractors also pull spreaders. These tools spread seeds and fertilizer. Parts that pull. Some tractors have big engines. They need a lot of power, even at slow speeds. Many tractors have huge wheels. These wheels do not get stuck in the mud. Others have tracks. These tractors move well on bumpy ground. Tractor pulls. The strongest tractors compete in tractor pulls. Tractor pulling is called the most powerful motor sport. Tractors pull heavy loads as far as they can. The longest pull wins.